Kajingalang balakot penlong daki Arbor District na kabanta banya keranya suk hapadang kijat benriu penar berkarbi hene kasngi hasnong khanduli kam poida namar bana kalyang kijat benriu penar ki kwa baka karbi anglong autonomous council kan penken ria shwa ya ka entry tax gate na pok kasnong khanduli shwa ban sedang kajinga keren hapadang ki arjat benriu na kalyang ki officer jong ki Arbor District kila pensyai ya ka jingkmu jong kane kajingalang baka dei bet thik na kabanta ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsan ki than khaput hapadang ki arjat benriu khnang ba kalit kawan ka kamai ka ji kan long kumba manshwa hadin ka jingalang na kalyang ki jat benriu penar ki thu ba kin up terhadu ba ka karbi anglong kan pha da ka official assurance letter ba ki balapan kin ria ya ka entry tax gate na khanduli hangta kalit kawan ru kan long kumba julong barhabaya de ka rai banya shong jingalang biang na ka banta banya kran ya ka ni ka ju kamat ki pentep ba ki long ki balak loy ha kanu kanu ka por bapan bet ki Bor District
peace between the two communities, between the Karbi and the Penar people. And I want to tell you here, Karbi people, they are residing not only in the border, but many people, they are residing inside Meghalaya also. Just to tell you, I watched the video of Jirang before. In Jirang, many Karbi people live there, in the Riboy district. We all have same, we used to have a peaceful living there. And I hope here in Khanduli also we must be having a peace for both the community. And what is our target today? Here we will talk only peace. Peace talk. We'll allow both of the community to discuss what agenda. I hope you all from both sides you have bring the agenda of your own. From Khanduli, they must have bring their own agenda, and from your side also, you must have bring your own agenda. But the main agenda is for peace only. That is what I request from the district administration to all of you. Just to inform both sides, don't talk about this related to this border issue and all, because this is not the issue of the state. It's not the issue of the official. This is the issue of both the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya. So I request what subjects we have to talk today is for the peace talk only. That is a request from my side.
Ni don ka meeting jong ki ar community Karbi and Penar community. Hagani ka Snong Khanduli. Bat ni penpau ke jing kemen ba naga ar magistrate West Karbi Anglong bat West Jantil district kele don lang naga banta kane ka jing ya kren ya ke jing ya chongsuk chongsan habya dei bat kane ka meeting jongi hak bat khadu ngelasim ka we karai kane karai kalong ba hadu ba nagaliang ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kin sa ayangi ka official assurance letter na kabanta baki la remove ya ka tak gates hangde ha Khanduli bat ngin sia kendo ha ka next meeting bat ngila rairu ba nagaliang jongi kum ki basong basa ha ka tan Khanduli area ngin sia kendo ya ki MDC jongi na kabanta ban pressurize nagaliang ka board council ban ya keren bat ki board jonga Karbi Anglong Council ban weng kaloi ya ka ne ka tax gate nang ba ka chongsuk chongsan ka let kawan ka rep karyang kan long kumba chulong kane de ka khubor na ka banta kinong chongsnong jong rilum jon tia chungi barok away bless you.